Technology had already made life tougher for traditional brick and mortar retailers. Well, now add in the complications of COVID-19, and it seems like local shopping malls could become a thing of the past. But wait, some developers have a plan. Of course they do, right? And real estate expert John Adams joins us now to tell us all about it. John, good morning. How are you today?
I am well. I hope you are, Buck.
I am. Thanks, John. With social distancing and masks, it kind of makes sense that people just aren't going to shopping malls like they used to. So what are we talking about here, and how bad is this?
Well, the shopping malls of America have been on life support for a long time. I mean, the decline really began in the 1980s, and it's just been progressing. But the sacred regional mall that so many people grew up with, it's no longer the draw that it once was.
And how bad are things when you think about the big stores, the anchor stores like the JCPenney's, the Macy's?
You know, the mounting casualty list is looking pretty grim here. JCPenney announced recently they're nearly $4 billion in debt. Sears continues to shutter their stores. Sears hasn't made a profit, Buck, since 2010. And Macy's, the venerable America's department store, just got quietly removed from the S&P 500. Their bonds are now considered junk level.
Wow. So what can be done when you look at all these giant properties? And one that comes to mind right here locally is North DeKalb Mall.
Absolutely. In real estate, we call this adaptive reuse, where you take an existing structure that really has outlived its usefulness, and we try to adapt it to something else. And at North DeKalb, what they've done, it's about half empty in terms of stores, but they've had filming location going on there, TV, movies, all kinds of things. They're using the empty storefronts as sort of a backdrop for some of these shows. And the great thing is it's breathed a lot of new life into North DeKalb, and more importantly, serious revenue.
You know, you mentioned Sears earlier, and Pont City Market's kind of reinvented itself a few times throughout the history of what used to be a Sears building there. I mean, is this a good example of what we're talking about?
A fabulous example right here in Atlanta. You know, I grew up in Atlanta, and my family used to take me down to that Sears store to shop for Christmas, and you could pick out the catalog item, and within an hour they would have it filled right there. Of course, they've got 2.1 million square feet, which is a massive complex. And during the redevelopment to make it the Pont City Market, Buck, they spent $250 million, which is a lot of money to invest. But what do they got? It's now there's a central food court that is vibrant. It has an authentic market. It has great food. I don't know if you've been down there.
Oh, yeah.
Lots of flavors of Atlanta. But more importantly, Buck, they've got retail shops. They've got offices, and most importantly, they have added residential apartments. So you got people that can step outside their door, walk a few steps, be doing some shopping or go to work or whatever right there. And it has been a tremendous success so far. By the way, they're right next to the Beltline, which I don't think hurts the location at all.
No, you're right about that. John, always informative and good stuff. We appreciate your time today. You have a great day. Okay, John?
Thank you, sir. Bye now.
All right, John's going to take your real estate questions for the next hour on Facebook Live. You can also find this segment on our website, fox5atlanta.com.